Hi everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech and I'm here to talk to you about iPhone battery repair. Did you know you can get that done in Eagan now? We've got a store off of Cliff Road. That repair only takes about 10-15 minutes and you still don't need an appointment. So if you've got a break or something like that, you can hop on over there, get it done. iPhone battery repairs are 15 minutes and we can do those for $49. Like I said, no appointment needed. If you need to ask any questions though, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2570. So if you need to get the battery replaced, a lot of times you've been noticing the percentage not lasting very long. Maybe it only lasts like 5-6 hours instead of the 10 to 12 hours it should be lasting, unless you're sitting on high power apps like Snapchat or Facebook or Netflix or something like that. Another reason to get the battery updated is if your phone's actually been acting really slow. There is a glitch in Apple's software where if your battery is not 100% in capacity, it'll actually slow your phone down in order to try and make the phone last all day. So if you've been noticing a big lag between, Siri opening up an app or answering you, or if, you go to open something and you gotta wait like 30 seconds for it to actually load, that could be because your battery needs to be replaced. So stop on in. We're open 8 to 6 during the week and Saturday 10 to 3 over in Eagan. So if you need a battery replaced, stop in. You guys have a nice day.